I have started my career in 1992, but after that, in a few months after, I have started to work for the projects that people are surprised to see my activities there. That inspired me to build this company.
Hello, Ji, Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome to this exclusive interview with the CEO and co-founder of MEC Private Limited, Mr. Aziz Ahmed Khan. Sir, it's an honor to have you with us. Let's start with your journey. Sir, what inspired you to build this company and how it started?
Thank you, Shazad. I have started my career in 1992 and from a company named Zelin. Zelin is called, at that time it was called the mother of all instrumentation company. So there, initially I was started to sell the products, but after that, in a few months after, I have started to work for the projects. So that glamour me I can do all these things because I have done so many jobs in 1 year that people are surprised to see my activities there. So that inspired me to build this company. This company was formed, as I told you, in 1993, and it is in the partnership. And in this company, we have started with services because at that time we don't have any principals with us. So in 1993, we have started as a services company. We got many jobs in PSO, in PRL, and in all the sugar mills, boiler automation control. So that was our startup. But our vision was very clear that we have to go with the world-renowned companies and to do backup services to all the customers. So customer should know about us regarding our services, not the product. So that encouraged us, and we have started in 1995 with Honeywell. It was a good days. We have done so many jobs with them, and similarly we have started to have some mission and vision in that occasion. So our vision was very clear that where we have to stand, we have to focus our integrity, and we have to get those points or those things in standards which we called ISO 9000 at that time, ISO 9000, ISO 14000. So we bring all those standards in our services, and that gave us good chance to have a footmark in all the industry of Pakistan. So this is the inspiration which we led to have all these things with us.
This company has become a trusted name in the industry for commitment, excellence, innovation, and all the time available for its clients. What sets this company apart?
Basically, our services. We work with all the companies, all the industries by focusing them in our mind. They have the targets. For example, I can give you many examples in that, like Bosika Refinery. That was an outstanding job we did because all big companies are saying that it is an old refinery and cannot be worked. But we proved them, we refurbish all the refinery, and we have started that and on pneumatic, and then we take the whole refinery into system, DCS. Similarly, we did one job which was also very outstanding, that is a ferroalloy plant, ferrosilicon, ferromanganese plant. So we did this Alabas industry, and that was also a state of the art because those things, though they don't have any documentation how to run that plant, but we run that plant by doing all the reverse engineering, and we set out all our targets, dates and time. So we never felt that the time is not the limit to us, but we focus that whatever the time limits we got. For example, if we told them that we will do this job in 2 months or 3 months, by the grace of God, we get that limit and we did it up to the time. Similarly, we did many jobs. For example, in distilleries, we are well known in all the distilleries of Pakistan. We supply, we erected, we installed, we commissioned those plants, and well in time. We never late. So these are the excellence, services, not only the product. If you have the product, you don't have the team, you cannot take it down for a long time. But we have a good product, we have a good team, so that lead us to achieve our goals. So we have many examples like Pakistan Refinery, National Refinery, similarly for Parco Refinery, similarly in all the fertilizer. If you go to Angro, go to Fatima, go to Parks, which is now called the Fauji Fertilizer. So all Fauji Fertilizer plant or Fatima plant or Anglo plant, we did, very dedicated job with them, and we did all the things in time. So that is the reason we are in this market, and we are still running in this market with all our goals, keeping in mind that what we have to do.
Sir, your company offers a wide range of services. Can you please highlight them?
As I told you, that we provide, erection team. We do erection, we do installation, we do commissioning, we do maintenance of the plant, we do SLA with the plant. We support services with the customer for all their field instrumentation. Similarly, we do with their control valves and safety valves. We resize their valves. We give them opportunity. In spite of replacing the whole valve, it is better to change only the trim part and the seat. Similarly, for services, we always give all type of services for DCS, for their field instrumentation, for analyzer. So these are the things which we have, which we give them to the customer, so that the customer always favor us. And on the other hand, we usually, people do seminars in the hotels and they ask customers to come there. But we go to each customer and we give them seminars for 2-day school for control valves, safety valves. Similarly for DCS, the design, how can we do all the designing. So we give all that type of training to the customers, and we provide them certification also on them. So these are the things which make us differ, and these are the services which we provide, which I don't think so that any other company is nowadays doing in Pakistan.
Sir, your company partners with world's best manufacturers. How do these collaborations enhance your offerings?
For example, if you go with Baker Hughes, so Baker Hughes always work with the designer. They always work, for example, they work with UOP, they work with Exxon, they work with Shell. These are all licensor of refineries. Similarly, Stamp Projetis. So our Baker Hughes work there with those customers, especially they work on research and development, and they fix their products there for their special requirement. So that is the thing by which we are always in. So when we are with the customer, we are, for example, any project in Pakistan, any project which is coming to Pakistan, we sit with the customer and tell them why our name is there, why they are, priority, why they have the priority on our product than any other. So we give them training on them. We give them live demos that how can they do all the designing, that on the basis of which we have these products. So as we are representing the world-known companies like Baker Hughes, in control valves we have Massillon, in safety valves we have Consolidated. Similarly, in field instrumentation we have Yokogawa. Similarly, for DCS we have Yokogawa. So these are world-known companies, and our support with them in Pakistan ensure their capability to do all the job locally.
Sir, can you share a success story of how you helped the client achieve their goals?
Yes, we have so many challenges, and everywhere, nowadays you will find these challenges in all of the part of the world. We have also those challenges, but we tackle those challenges as per the demand. There are many examples. For example, customer want to change the whole system. We give them, partial changes that you do in bits and parts, so that make cost effective. And we sometime, they have we do cost reduction by saving their time also. For example, if any work is that of 1 month, we try to do it in 15 days. So we got in many challenges in Pakistan, but we overcome by our services, by our capabilities, and by our coordination with the customer as well as with the principal also. So in this regard, our principals are very supportive and our customers are very aggressive to overcome all those difficulties. Sometimes you have a time constraint, sometimes you have a money constraint. So we overcome all those challenges with the mutual understanding and mutual coordination with our principals and with our customers.
The world is evolving rapidly. What are the future goals of this company?
Yes, we have many success stories. We have a success story like in Parco, they were going on an upgradation job. We worked with them, and in spite of changing all the valves, we worked with them and we reduced to 1/10 of the quantity, and we replaced only some internal parts. In this way, they saved a lot of money. Similarly, in many jobs we did, for example, like in Angro, we transformed the whole transformation from C300 controller to our Centum series. So in that case, we did with them, we sit with them, we did engineering, and we change one by one. We have not changed the whole. Whenever the customer have the enough time to change, for example, in first turnaround we change their urea, and second turnaround we change their utility. In this way, we transform all the C300 controller to CS3000. So we have all these stories, success there. When you are in the field, you have success stories, and every customer is your success. And when you have a success, you have that success story.
You have built a legacy. What advice would you offer to the next generation of the business leaders?
We are moving toward digitalization, innovation, and smart technologies. Similarly, on the other hand, we are moving towards services. These services are for control valves and safety valves. We are now the service channel partner with Baker Hughes, and we will support customer at their own facility. So we are moving towards all these things. So we called it in Baker Hughes, we called VLM. So we are moving toward valve life cycle management with all the customers, so that they can get all the things, everything on the systems. Since we are looking after for the system as well as for the control valves, so it is easy for us to manage for them this type of digitalization, which will help them in many ways. So word is towards the innovation and towards the smart technologies.
For the audience who are watching, can you tell them why should they choose your company and how they can connect with you?
If you need a trustworthy company, if you need a cutting edge industrial solution company, we are there for you. And if you want to connect us, yes, you can go to our social media platform, and in that social media form, like LinkedIn profile, you can go there. You can go with Facebook, you can go with YouTube, you can go with Instagram. Similarly, you can come to us through our website also. We have a good website. So we have all the digital communications with all the people. Anybody can contact us at any time.
If you want cutting edge industrial solutions, visit their website www.mec.net.pk and follow MEC Private Limited on social media. Stay ahead with MEC.